The lighting kit is really easy to install. First, lay out all the parts on a table. One gas control panel, one knob socket, one sensor board, two fan control panels, two cables. Please disconnect the power at the main switch before starting. Firstly, pull the gas control panel upwards and off. The fan control panels stay where they are. Then run a finger carefully beneath the edge of the cover and lift it off the heater. Disconnect the cables from the fan control panels. Using your thumb and finger, unlock the control panel catch in the cover and push the control panel through the cover at the same time. Do the same with the other control panels and remove them from the cover. Then take the sensor board, position it on the pins in the middle of the cover and press gently until it clicks into place. Take the knob socket, insert it through the cover and click it into place. Make sure it is facing the right way. The procedure for the other control panels is the same. Now connect the cable to the sensor board. And use the clamp to fasten the cable. The procedure for the two other cables is the same. Connect each of the cables to a free slot on the fan control panels. Turn the cover and place it on the heater. Make sure there are no cables caught anywhere. Press the cover down firmly all round. Make sure the control panel rod is centered in the knob socket. Now position the gas control panel, making sure the marking is aligned to 0. Your lighting is now ready for operation. Gently touching the top cover turns the lighting on. The control panels can now be easily operated and the optimal settings chosen in the dark.